So you want to know about my cookie business? Alright, so I'm gonna keep this one nice, short, and sweet because I'm hungry and I'm tired. So I'm about to go eat and sleep. But basically, back in I say sophomore year of my high school experience, I started like a cookie business with Liz because she makes the best. I mean, the best cookies ever. They're so good. They're so sweet. They're creamy, buttery. I want one of those right now. Actually, it was awesome because I had this camera and like a really nice lens. So like these pictures that I was taking, it was like spot on how they look. Like no Photoshop, no editing, no nothing, and it was delicious. So I ended up making a website. I think it was a WordPress website, and I looked out cool. It's called like Malele's Cookies. I'll see if I can find the link. If I do find it, make sure to check the description. You can check everything. But I ended up using this font called Buttercup font, and it looks like Reese's Pieces text. It's pretty cool. But we made it, right. We made a website. She made a lot of cookies. I mean, a lot of cookies. But this is why this channel is important to marketers, because and marketing is so important. I was like, we're gonna make so much money. I'm gonna put a Craigslist ad. It's gonna be awesome. I'm gonna direct them to this website. It's like $5 for like 12 cookies or something like that. And like the cookies were like they were really good with like milk, chocolate milk, coffee, tea. It was matched everything. It was really good. I'll see if we could post a recipe video because it's bomb. The website was everything. It was all pink and girly and Malele cookies in like cursive font. It was really dope. But the importance of marketing, I was like, everybody's gonna come, but nobody came. Nobody went to visit the website. I didn't know about Facebook ads. I didn't know about Facebook ads would have worked with the cookies because it was like the Bay Area of like Bay Area seller, you know. And like then we started worrying about permits and all that stuff. But honestly, you don't gotta worry too much about that unless if you're raking it in and you're using like the pay swipe, electronic payments. If you're not straight up cash, then look, I'm not a lawyer. That's what I'm just saying. If you get in cash, you get in cash. But yeah, the importance of marketing is getting your word out there, your business out there, whatever it is. It could be real estate, it could be nails, anything. That marketing is so incredibly important because you have a product, but nobody knows about it because there's a lot of other products out there too. So that's the importance of marketing, guys. I made a little business. It was cool and all. Honestly, I could go back and like recreate it because her recipes are like one of a kind. Her like presentation is one of a kind. You know, it has its own little style and its own little cuteness, little girliness, little like I was marketing to, well, at least I thought I was marketing to, but my target market were like upper middle class or lower upper class because the presentation, how it was presented, of how the website was laid out, how the pricing was laid out. We were like San Francisco location. It was cool, but nobody knows, nobody cares. You gotta push it in their face. You gotta be like, hey, this is it. This is it. But yeah, guys, I hope you guys like the video. I mean, Kate likes to keep it nice and short and sweet, to the point. General idea of the story: marketing's important. All right, guys, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Actually, no. I'm gonna be going. No video tomorrow, but on Sunday there will be a video. Sunday night or Monday morning, because I will be going to a secret location. Subscribe to find out. All right, guys. See you guys tomorrow.